The purpose of this video is to show you how to use PhotoStream to create a picture gallery that you can link from your teacher page or from anywhere else that you want that will constantly update any photos that you add to it without you having to do very much work at all. We assume for this video that you already have some photos taken, either with your iPad's camera or in the case that you have an iPhone or an iPod or something like that that's also streaming your photos back to your iPad. Anything that you have in there is fine. So we're going to go ahead and run the Pictures app. And here you see a gallery of all of my pictures, and here you see is my PhotoStream. And looking at the PhotoStream, there are all the pictures that I've ever taken in here. At the top right, there's an Edit button, and we're going to click that, and then we're going to select a series of photos that we want to be part of our PhotoStream. So I click Edit, and then I start tapping on pictures, and you see the little blue check marks that appear. What I'm doing is I am going to put all the ones that I've checked into an album by hitting the Share button at the top left. So we'll see which ones I want to pick, and then I hit Share, and I get some options. We're going to choose PhotoStream. And then I say, does it want to add to an existing PhotoStream? No, I want to do a new one. So I hit New. The to box you don't need. This is if you want to share this with like family, friends, anything like that, other people with iPhones or iPads. What we want to do is give our PhotoStream a name. So in your case, it might be Student of the Day or November Work Gallery or whatever it is. The critical thing here is that you turn on Public Website. Turn on Public Website and then hit Save. And when we hit Post, you can see that in our PhotoStream area of the Photos app, a new folder, looks like a gallery, gets created, Sample PhotoStream. The nice thing about using that Turn on Public Website option is that it did just that. It took the pictures that we collected and it put them into a web-based photo gallery. So at the top right, I hit the Edit button, and then when I touch on one of the photo streams, it'll show me the details. So if I want to change the name or add subscribers, I can. The critical thing here is that Share Link option. So I hit the Edit button at the top right, up comes the menu, and then I use the Share Link button right in the middle of the page, and it'll give me some options for how I want to share that. You can see that there's a series of options here. You can email yourself this link and then work from your computer. That's an easy way to do it. We're going to use the copy option probably here. But here you see how it works if you just email it to yourself, and then you can do some work from the Mail app or from your webmail on your computer in the case that you want to go back and link this up in that way. I'm going to actually just click the Share Link button and then copy. Now I guess we're going to check my email since I shot it to myself that way. So you can see that there's a link that goes out to the web. And when I touch on it, here is my photo gallery that I just made. It's all very beautiful. You get a nice grid of pictures. And you can see I really didn't have to do anything other than just set up the photo stream by selecting the pictures, adding them to a stream, and then turning on the public website option. What we're going to do now is actually copy the web address that you see at the top, that really long one, iCloud, PhotoStream, and then all those letters and digits and numbers. We will use that address to put this photo gallery onto our wiki page. So I'm going to copy it. You'll probably do this from your teacher computer, I would assume, which is why I went through the process of showing you how to do that emailing. But I'm just going to go to goshenlocalschools.org and go to any old page. I assume that you'll probably go to your classroom web page. In my case, I'm just going to go to a sort of a blank page that I built to share this kind of stuff out. So if you'll give me a minute to get myself where I need to be. Here we go. So I'm to the point now where I want to type in a link, and then I want to make that link go to the gallery that I just made. So I'm going to log into the wiki. Now I'm going to edit the page, come down here and type in the name that I want the link to be. Classroom photo gallery, or student of the day, or November work gallery, whatever it is that you want to be creating a gallery for. And you can do as many of these as you want. I highlight it, I hit the link arrow button in my toolbar, and this is the important part. I use enter URL, and then I paste in the address that I copied when we made our photo stream. So I touch the URL box, and then I paste directly in that link that I made. And when I hit link, and then I save the page, now the link goes right where you think it would go. It shoots you straight over to that photo gallery that I made from my iPad. And just like that, I'm linking out to pictures of Piper trying to eat a basketball. And that's pretty useful. Here's where it gets sort of amazing. We're going to go back to the photo app and add some pictures to that gallery. So I'm going to open up my sample PhotoStream gallery that I just made. I'm going to hit edit at the top right, and then I'm going to add photos. And you can see now I'm just in my pictures folder, and I can choose any pictures that I want out of here, including any that I just took in the case that you are taking pictures and then updating this gallery on a regular or a daily basis, whatever it is that you want to be doing here. But I'm just going to pick a few photos that I want to add in. You can see my little check marks. And then I hit the add button and they appear in my photo stream. When they appear in my photo stream, they also go ahead and upload to the internet, and they appear in the photo stream that I made over there as well. How long does this take? I've seen it be almost instant, and I've seen it take a few minutes to get done. So we'll refresh this gallery here a couple of times. And hopefully in very short order, we will see that, there we go, just like that. So, 10, 20 seconds between me editing and adding in a new picture that I just took of my class or my kids or some work or whatever, and actually getting it up there.